Luxury meets comfort in this exceptional townhome. This fantastic low-fee townhome has plenty of great living space. Plus, its convenient location next to the Homer-Watson corridor makes for an easy commute. With a fully fenced, zero-maintenance backyard and 2 separate composite decks with glass railings, bask in the sunlight all day long. Let's head inside and check out why you'll want to make this house your home. Number 7, AIRY Main Floor. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a functional layout and tasteful finishes throughout. Step into the bright sitting room complete with a powder room and a walkout to your beautiful second floor composite deck with glass railings. This space is ideal for retreating to at the end of the day, and with a private deck, indoor-outdoor living becomes a breeze. Number 6, spacious second level. Ascend the staircase to discover a bright and airy living room, perfect for unwinding and relaxing. With plenty of windows and updated light fixtures, this space invites you to kick back and enjoy. Number 5, eat-in kitchen. Your bright kitchen awaits, offering stainless steel appliances, a 3-seater breakfast bar, a pantry, and a roomy dinette with walkout. Step out to the 3rd floor composite deck for a delightful outdoor retreat. This is the perfect outdoor space for a morning coffee or an evening cocktail. Number 4, bedrooms and bathrooms. The 3rd level is where you'll find 3 bright bedrooms and convenient upstairs laundry. The primary suite offers a 3-piece ensuite with stand-up shower, while the other 2 bedrooms share a main 4-piece bath with shower soaker tub combo. Number 3, walkout basement. There's even more great space in the finished walkout basement. With plenty of pot lights and beautiful neutral flooring, this area would make for an excellent home office, gym, guest bedroom, or play area for the kids. You're treated to an additional 3-piece bathroom with stand-up shower, as well as a walkout to your backyard, which is fully fenced and is where you'll find your covered deck just waiting for summertime fun. Number 2, parking. You won't feel limited on space with a full driveway and garage. Plus, there's an extra rented 3rd space, which could be given up if not needed. Your low monthly fee offers lawn care, snow removal, exterior and roof maintenance, garbage removal, and shared amenities. Number 1, prime location. Situated in a family-friendly neighborhood, you'll be living the good life. You're located close to nature and walking trails, Fairview Park Mall, fabulous shops, restaurants, Conestoga College, and you have easy access to Highway 401 and the Expressway. This home won't last long, so make sure you check out the website below for more info. And for other great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.